Hi beautiful, welcome back to my YouTube channel Visual Hairstylist. I hope you all are fine and good with your family. So guys, if you visit my channel for the very first time, then I would like to introduce you to my YouTube channel. In my YouTube channel, you can get latest hairstyles, trendy haircuts and bouncy hair dye color ideas, and also as well as hair growth remedies for women and men both. Here I am telling you that this channel is created for those people who have a craze of hair fashion. If you also have a craze of hair fashion, then you come on the right platform. I am providing you with the latest trends in hairs. Basically, my dear lovely viewers, my goal is to inspire our viewers to believe in self-confidence and to create their own unique personality across all over the world. So guys, here you will find the latest trends in visual hairstylist. So it is difficult to choose the which type of hairstyle is better for you. It can be hard to find that which type of hairstyle is suited for you. So guys, I am here to provide you the latest trends in hairs fashion. So I am your taste maker, your hair smiler, and your best haircut advisor. So guys, if you like my video, then subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more new updates. And don't forget to like and share my video and keep subscribe my channel. So let's come to the main point. In my today video, I am sharing with you a French bob haircut that is more popular and trendy in 2022, as you know about. Basically, the French bob haircut is a chin-length bob paired with a fringe which usually sits at brow level. The style originated in 1890s with French actress and singer Blair, who wore hair in a cropped bob and later became more of a widespread trend during the 1920s flapper era. So you can know guys that bob haircut is very trendy nowadays. But there is some other categories of bob haircut also. One of the category of bob haircut is a French bob, which we discussed in our video. Let's summarize that what is the difference between a bob haircut and a French bob. The only difference, namely, is how the style is cut. The French bob usually involves a shorter chain length and the addition of blunt bangs. A regular bob will be much the same, if not slightly less refined in the layers. So there is no big difference between both. Basically, a French bob or a classic Parisian woman cut is a form of a crop bob that cut at chin length and paired with bangs setting at the brow line. The French haircut has been modernized by certain characteristics including a blunt cut, heavy texture, and beachy wavy hair. The style may have originated with French actresses in the 1920s who wore this hair in a crop bob, sometimes with a barrette. So it has become a universal ambassador of effortless Parisian style, often worn with bangs. The cut is usually blunt at the ends. So the main point is here, if you have an oval face shape, you can make any bob haircut work for you, including a classic French bob. When you have a square shaped face, chin length cuts that accentuate your jawline work best. So guys, I am sharing with you several pictures are here with bob haircut. As you can see in my video, you can take the idea from my video and wear this haircut and make your look more prettiest. So guys, if you want to know more ideas, let me know in the comment section. I am trying to complete your request with latest and trendy more hairstyles and haircuts. I hope my today content is very helpful for you. Dear friends, please support me by sharing my videos with your family members and friends. Thank you so much for watching my video. So guys, if you like my video then subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more new updates. Take care.